So how many cameras do you need on your smartphone? Is it 1? Is it 2, 3, 4, or 5? Well, the answer from Nokia is 5. Yes, they've got 5 cameras on a smartphone. That's nuts. Let's find out why. So the Nokia 9 is finally here. This is a device we've seen rumors over the last couple of months to have 5 camera lenses, and I got to touch it, I got to use it, I got to try it out in the snow, and this thing is completely insane. So this device packs in a lot of features into the camera and into the device that makes it completely different yet very familiar as a smartphone. Now we know Nokia in the past with the Lumia 1020 were of course camera kings in the smartphone market. That was a long time ago. But now we have the Nokia 9. So what makes this device different and special? It's got 5 cameras in the back, and each camera is a 12 megapixel camera. So they're all the same, having the same aperture of f1.8, which is completely nuts. Plus, you've got 3 monochrome lenses and 2 RGB lenses. You're going, wait. Why do you need 3 monochrome? Why do you need 2 RGB? Now, Nokia says that this is to allow you to get a picture with the most depth and detail possible, because the cameras all work in unison, take images together at the same time, and then you can go ahead and make some changes, look at the depth, doesn't matter. You get a lot of detail in this camera, and it's totally insane. Taking pictures with this is a fun experience. Whether you're taking bokeh photos, and you can see when you take bokeh, or you can say, of course, portrait photos, you're getting so much detail on the back. You can go into depth, you can zoom in. There's so much, because the depth sensing of the camera does much more than any camera that I've seen. Typical cameras do a depth sensing calculation of about 1 megapixel. This does all 12 megapixels. So it's a huge image file that you can go in. Of course, you can take it in JPEG, you can save it in RAW, and it just gives you a lot of detail. Plus, the images look really good. It feels almost like I'm capturing the images off a DSLR, which is what you want to get from your smartphones as you move forward. And the Nokia believes this technique will do the difference here. Now, this thing is not all just camera. It's also a well-spec'd device. The display is a 5.99 inch display. Yes, 5.99. It's a POLED display. It's a 2K display, and the aspect ratio is 18:9. Now it comes packed with a Snapdragon 845 processor, 6 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of internal storage. So you've got all those things in there packed. Plus, it is running Android One, so it is very clean base system that gets constant updates. The Nokia promises 2 years of updates on this device. This is built for the camera enthusiasts. This is built for a lot of us who now care about cameras. So Nokia claims that this will give you great images, great low light photos, great portrait photos, just great image capture overall, and is built for anyone with that mindset. Now, of course, as a premium device, it also has lifestyle features. It's IP60 rated. It's also got wireless charging built into the device as well. So you've got all those things there, and of course, that camera setup at the back. Now, it comes with the Light app as well, so you can go ahead and edit photos in there if you choose to. So you can go in and you can edit the photos, you can look at the depth map and all that fun stuff in there as well. So it packs in a whole lot, and its price is 599 euros. Now, we don't have any idea of US pricing, but I'm sure it'll be pretty much similar to that as well. I can't wait to try this out, test it out with my buddy Marion Cell, because you know he's gonna go nuts with a camera like this. But till then, if you guys have any questions or any comments about the Nokia 9 and its 5 cameras, let me know. If you're looking for the wallpaper, I'm going to try and put it for you guys in the link below, so you have to go check it out. If you want to pick up the Nokia 9 or any Nokia device, use our Amazon link down below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification icon to get notified with our latest videos. This is Thunder E saying thank you, and always enjoy your entertainment.